In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to format SD card on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The option to format an SD card is natively built into the Switch, so you don't even have to remove it and connect it to a different device like a PC. You can do the entirety of this process directly on the Nintendo Switch itself. To format an SD card, you will head over to the settings. So on the home screen of your Switch, go into the system settings. When you go into the system settings, one of the category on the system category itself is going to be formatting options. So choose system from the left and then scroll down until you see formatting options. When you choose this, you will be able to manage a bunch of things, including the option to format your microSD card. As you can see, it is going to have a warning symbol next to it because, of course, after you format your microSD card, all of the data will be lost and you will not be able to recover this. So if there are any screenshots or videos that you want to back up, do it now. You can remove the SD card or upload them over the internet, whatever you prefer. Once you choose this option, it's once again going to give you the warning that I just mentioned. Formatting will delete all data on the microSD card. It is recommended that you back up all screenshots, videos, and other important data to a PC before formatting. If you are satisfied with this, go on and select Continue. Immediately upon doing this, you will get the warning again, and then you just have to choose Format. Usually the process is basically instant, so just choose Format, wait for it to finish really quick, and after this is done, the microSD card will be wiped out. You can now install any games that you have on the microSD card again, and it is going to be usable. All of the data will be gone, and all of the storage space will be freed up. Of course, you can also connect it to a PC if you want to format, but because this feature is natively built into the Switch, it makes the process much more convenient. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset microSD card on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.